Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for September 20th. 10 years ago, we started this show to share about all of the great things going on at Orlando Health. We're honored to have been able to share team member and patient stories, new buildings, new hospitals, new technology, and the new faces of Orlando Health and Bayfront Health. We look forward to sharing even more with you in the future. And Orlando Health's Benefits Open Enrollment is right around the corner. We talked to Wendy Reynolds, Senior Director of Benefits.
Open enrollment is from October 23rd through November 3rd for plan changes effective January 1st, 2024. This is team members' once-a-year opportunity to make changes for the next plan year. We've gone digital this year. All resources will be on Swift and Team Member Connect, including the Focus on Benefits book that was previously sent to team members' homes. Benefits-eligible team members will receive a save-the-date postcard at their home address this week. A second postcard with more information will be delivered in mid-October. We have some exciting enhancements for 2024, so stay tuned for more information.
And a celebration was held to recognize Hyundai Motor America for selecting Orlando Health Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children and Dr. Amy Smith as a recipient of the Hyundai Hope on Wheels Impact Award. The Impact Award is a generous cash gift of $100,000, which will support pediatric oncology clinical trials at the Haley Center for Children's Cancer and Blood Disorders.
To our friends from Hyundai, thank you. Without you, this would not be possible. We're so grateful and honored to be partnered with the Hyundai Hope on Wheels program in the fight against pediatric cancer.
There are several people here who are part of taking care of these children. There are many other people who are actually upstairs doing the work today. But you really do provide us the ability to offer life-saving treatments to children and to also contribute to the work of finding new treatments. Our research that we're doing here locally and in collaboration with people all over the world is really could not be done without your support. And I look forward to being able to see the kids come down and have fun and really enjoy this time together.
And to recognize Childhood Cancer and Sickle Cell Awareness Month, the Child Life and Patient Events team, along with the Hematology Oncology Clinic and Inpatient Unit, hosted a superhero carnival. The event was held in honor and to show support for all of our cancer and blood disorder warriors.
The celebration of childhood cancer awareness is just so important. Not everybody is aware of what the children and the families go through, and there are a lot of things that come out of awareness, right? There is so much money that is raised to help us fund research to try to improve cure rates and improve quality of life going forward, and to provide support for families as they're going through the treatments. The same thing for sickle cell disease. All of us are involved in taking care of these kids because we feel there's a passion in our hearts for really helping these children and their families. And so we get to know the kids, we get to know their families, and so it brings us great joy to watch them come and have fun. And funding research is so important, and that comes oftentimes through awareness.
That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review.
That's it for today's edition. For the Orlando Health News Review.
Well, that's all for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review.
Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review.
Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review.
We'll see you next week.